Hi. I'm just showing how you come out of that. How you just, all you gotta do is push that one leg and you're out. So, we gotta watch you good. We gotta watch you, yeah. You're looking at all that water and you're thinking, hey, I think I can do this thing. Yeah. I think I can do this. I see you smiling all sexy. What's up, sexy? Oh, what's up? Yeah. So I'm glad that we don't have that on a table or anything. Oh, really? Okay. Well, I think everyone gets a picture. I think everyone gets a picture that it looks like you could come right out of there if we let you. You twisted. All you gotta do is raise up on that leg. Point is, when he's in this thing, he doesn't need to be sitting up on a table or anything high. And we need to watch him. What you say? What you say? Huh? What you say? What do you say, little Emmett? That's the lemon. Hi, Lemon. Hi.